Hello, in front of me I have Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. After you wake up the screen, press the back button again to open the menu. Now, scroll down through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called watch settings and tap on it. Now, scroll down, find the option time and tap on it. Here we can select the time format. We have 24 hours and 12 hours. Select the one you like to use. And now we can change the time. Basically, we can swipe up and down right here to set the hour, then set the minutes, and once you're done, tap on the check mark. Like this. Now we can scroll down, find the date option right here, tap on it, and here we can select set date, and again we can change the day, month, and the year, and once you're done, tap on the check mark like this. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face like that. And that's how you change the date and time on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.